The City of Logan allows us to go and deliver world-class products both domestically and internationally.
We've always thought big. We always thought, why can't we build a global company from where we are here in Logan?
Logan is in the centre of the Brisbane Gold Coast corridor, which is one of the fastest growing corridors in Australia, and is expected to grow to about 500,000 people by 2036.
Being in Logan gives us access to the ports from the airport or from the sea docks. As far as the major infrastructure and the roads, it's fantastic.
What surprises me about Logan is when you look, you can find everything you need here. From the point of view of customers, staff, and suppliers, there is no better place than where we are right here.
Logan has some amazing businesses that are located right here. We've got companies like IKEA, Avery, John Deere, all based in the local area. It means that they're potential partners and customers for us to engage with. It seems limitless what we could actually do in this space.
Logan allows us a place to offer great service with drone delivery, but also it's a place where we can invest and grow our resources here to really develop the technology further and expand our business.
From our Logan headquarters, we're able to interact efficiently with factories or businesses around the globe and ultimately to the customers in the field.
ATP Science is now distributing into the UAE, into India, into Asia. We're starting to expand quite rapidly internationally, and that's obviously very good for ATP and for Logan.
Having ready access to some really good skilled labour within sort of 10 or 15 minutes of the facility, we're not finding that we're having to pay more to get them to travel further.
Griffith's highly ranked university in the top 2% of universities worldwide. We're very well connected, particularly with the schools, so we have really high quality programs here. The biggest advantage we have is that there's deep engagement from business, industry, the community itself and all levels of government.
Logan is possibly one of the best located places in South East Queensland and represents an affordable place for both businesses and families to come and live, work and play.
So for companies that are looking to come to Logan to establish themselves and to grow, I think they've got the opportunity to engage with a council that isn't just proactive, but I believe rolls up their sleeves to actually help companies thrive in the area.
You should come and have a look for yourself, look at the location, look at the diversity. It is a great city to be based in.
I think the Logan region, it's standing out in a field of its own, and now it's on the rise. If I didn't think it had potential, I wouldn't invest.
So if you believe in your business, right now's the time, and Logan's the place.